What's happening, y'all? Of course, you know who it is. It's your boy Wade, Teamer. Now, you gotta excuse my attire. I just got in from that good old morning run. You know what I'm saying? I'm feeling good, feeling like money. But that's not what I am making this video for here. As you can see by the title, there are two stocks that are very tightly related to the crypto space that we can be making money from, guys. First one is HUT8. Now, of course, I'm going to do a, more deeper, more polished version of this information, but I woke up this morning, guys, I checked my portfolio and HUT8, okay? HUT8. Now, here's again, and we're going to expound on this on the later episode because it's not just HUT8, guys. There's Nubank, which is Warren Buffett's fintech out in Brazil. And we know that Brazil is very heavy when it comes to legalizing Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, digital assets. That's a play right now, okay? But let's talk about HUT8 for a second. HUT8, I have been holding for 12 months. It's officially been 12 months. Public just sent me the notification. But in these last 12 months, guys, one thing that I have noticed, and this is a reoccurring pattern, okay? When you're dealing with numbers, charts, and metrics, there's always patterns in numbers. Always keep that in mind. But the pattern that I have been seeing is that every time Bitcoin rallies, HUT8 rallies. And it makes sense because HUT8 is a Bitcoin mining company. Okay, now seeing this correlation after watching it play out month after month after month, even when Bitcoin goes down, just to clear both sides here, when Bitcoin goes down, HUT8 of course goes down as well as other blockchain and crypto related stocks. However, when we go up, those stocks go up, guys, and that's an interesting dynamic. It's an interesting dynamic to me, but the name of this channel is Digit Hustle News. You see it. Yeah, I just made that. It's brand new. My daughter actually, she ripped a piece off the bottom. But we're going to have to order another one. However, you can see here, guys, if the money is digital, so is the hustle. All right. So as we get deeper and deeper into this new digital hustle, guys, and more things that I learned, of course, I'm going to kick it all back to you. We have a number of episodes coming out, guys. I am working overtime. It feels good, though. It's great energy. Got a new content strategy. Gonna kind of switch back to the old structure because I don't know if you guys remember how we used to do global adoption on Mondays, NFTs on Tuesdays, future tech on Wednesdays, retail on Thursdays, DeFi on Friday. Well, the new way that I'm doing content, my new content strategy, that structure actually fits perfectly. Okay? Actually fits perfectly. That's some YouTuber stuff. We'll talk about that later. But I just love seeing how those dynamics change over time. Okay? But the second stock that can get you paid is Nubank, guys. Like I mentioned a moment ago, this is Warren Buffett's bank. That should be enough in and of itself right there. On top of that, the stock is still under $10, guys. $10. Now, let me tell you why this is so massive. Again, in Brazil right now, they are very active in pushing for digital currency standards. Okay? Warren Buffett, for the longest time, was like, Bitcoin is poopy. It's not going to do anything. I don't understand why kids are investing in it. Yet, you have an entire fintech institution, sir. You have an entire fintech institution that you sold off your Visa and MasterCard shares to get more shares of. So clearly, Mr. Buffett knows something that we do. Okay. So Nubank under $10, HUT8 right now under $10. But I got in when we were talking 5, guys. 5. Now, here's why these stocks are so important, specifically Nubank. It's a new bank. He knew what he was doing when he named it Nubank. But these two stocks in particular are perfect for your portfolio from an industrial perspective, from the sense that HUT8 deals with the mining of Bitcoin. So if you're heavy into Bitcoin, you need to be looking into the Bitcoin mining industry because we still have to mine about 2 million Bitcoin over the next 50 or so years. So that industry is going to be around. On top of this, they don't just mine Bitcoin. They're mining Ethereum, they're mining Litecoin, they're developing new ASICs miners to mine other SHA mining cryptos. That includes Ravencoin, our best friend Digibyte, and so many others, guys. So the crypto mining industry in and of itself, as these cryptos become more payment focused and payment friendly and the regulation comes in, the mining of these currencies are going to be the equivalent of printing the money. That's what we're looking at here. So, in essence, HUT8 is printing the new money. They're one of the ones responsible for printing the new money. Now, I heard there's another one. I think it's called Riot Blockchain. They're also heavy in the mining industry, but that stock is a little bit higher price than HUT8 is right now. However, HUT8 actually has more Bitcoin on its books than Riot does. Okay, I mean, their numbers are up there with Michael Saylor and MicroStrategy when it comes to Bitcoin holdings globally. Okay, so that's another powerful attribute to HUT8 mining. Now, going back to Nubank just for a little bit here, again, the whole situation in Brazil. All right. On top of that, if you look at the numbers quarter over quarter for Nubank, guys, they increased their revenue in 2021 5 times, 5x from when they started in January of 2021. By the time we got to the end of the year, they 5x their revenue. Okay. We're going to start having conversations like that about these different currencies, about these different cryptos, because as utility kicks in, everybody's going to be immersed with what the project is doing, what it is actively doing. Stocks related to crypto kind of give us an image of that, guys. That is why, I'm going to put a more comprehensive episode on this subject together because in reality, it's not just those two. Those are the two that I have been eating the best with. And when I say eating, I mean breakfast, lunch, and dinner, guys. So, had to make this video for you, had to get this out. Hope you guys are enjoying the new content. Hope you guys are enjoying the new sound, the audio. I've applied some things from my previous venture as a musician, some strategies and stuff. I'm always tweaking stuff, guys. Always tweaking, always changing, always thinking about new ideas on how to just make this overall experience the best I possibly can for you guys. So, with all that being said, HUT8, Nubank, that's how we're getting paid. Because we know that if the money is digital, so is the hustle. I'm going to see y'all in a minute.